Ooh, which is really good. Oh, this might be my favorite. This might be my favorite. I love me a watermelon. So this. Hello, ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, we are going to do a Bath and Body Works haul. So, if you are interested in seeing the goodies that I got, just keep watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Make sure that button that is red turns gray. Give me the thumbs up. Come on, comment down below if you are interested. We're family around here. So take off your shoes, relax, sis, bruh. Like, we are family around here. But if you are not new to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I am loving the comments. I am loving chatting with you all. Just loving seeing you all join. And if you are new, welcome again to the family. Well, let's get into it. I got a Bath and Body Works haul. I had to do it. Okay, so I saw that they were doing a get a free candle for $10. Did you all take part in that sale? That was a good one. So you got a free candle with any $10 purchase. Honey, I don't know how you all did it. You might have had some rewards or some things. I did at least three separate transactions. So I'm still waiting on one of my packages to arrive. But I said, let's just go ahead and do this video. But I did three separate transactions so I could get three free candles. Come on now. Don't judge me. So I'm just going to show you all what I got as far as the candles. So I really am excited about this one. This is the red, white, and blue cake. Now, you all know, if you all have seen some of my past videos, you know I am a gourmand lover. You know I like to smell like cake, candy, popcorn, all of it. Like, you know, this is my jam. It smells so good. So this is definitely a great suggestion. This has red raspberry, ripe berries, whipped vanilla cream, soft white cake. Now this candle is normally $26.50, and for you to get for $10 get a candle free. I really hope you candle lovers saw my post, and I really hope that you took part in this sale. So that was my first one. That same purchase, I got the sour melon drop. So I actually did not see this at first. I thought it was sold out, but they must have re-upped on it. So I purchased it online and did an in-store pickup. So I didn't have to pay for that $5.99 or $6.99 or whatever that is for shipping. But this has juicy candy watermelon, sour green apple, my favorite candy. Yeah. Bursting honeydew melon. This is a bunch of melon. You definitely smell that honeydew. You definitely smell the watermelon. Watermelon, definitely. I don't really smell the sour green apple, but it still smells good. Watermelon, I'm good with that. So that was my second one. I also got the Firecracker Pop. So that's a good and popular one. And the scent smells like cherry. So I kind of figured that this would be a cherry scent, which it is. It's red cherry, fresh citrus, juicy berry. Really good. So number 4, chocolate banana mudslide. Okay, so I was really on the fence about this, but I was like, I do like a banana smelling scent and I do like chocolate. I was like, maybe that together would smell good. If you are a chocolate lover and you don't mind a little bit of banana, pick this up. This was a good one. I'm glad I got it. So it's frozen bananas, chocolate syrup, crushed ice, and a splash of rum. So definitely would suggest this. I believe it's warm apple pie and champagne margarita. I want to say that's the name of it. It's in the teal blue candle. It's a repurchase for me. So that's on its way. That champagne margarita smelled throughout my entire house. It was so good. And it smelled just like a sparkling champagne margarita scent. So I just had to repurchase that. So those are the other 2 that are on its way. Again, I hope you all took part in that candle sale. If it comes around, SAS is coming up. So, save your coins because it's coming up around the corner. But if you are interested in any of these items, I would definitely highly suggest picking those up. Okay. So real quick, I did do the buy 3, get 3 free. I want to say that was the other sale that I did. And normally that's a running sale that they do from time to time. So I took part in that. But I want to say it also had or was the body care sale? I don't know. It was some kind of sale that came up. I'm sorry, sis. Sorry, bruh. I can't remember. But I got some more items. So you all know that I'm into the moisturizing body wash from Bath and Body Works. This is their love collection to celebrate Pride, which I love. I have a lot of brothers and some sis that are in the Pride community. I love you all. And this is the Rainbow Wave. So honestly, if it says moisturizing body wash and I don't have it, it's in my cart. Let's just keep it like that. It's in my cart. So this is Sunny Sangria, Bright Melon, and Misty Water. So I can't wait to use that. I'm going to go quickly, you all. So this video is not super long. Then I got the Summer Melody. So this is really good. So Golden Honeydew and Blazing Vanilla. Ooh, I love that. Okay, vanilla. So that's going to go good. I also got the Fine Fragrance Mist in the Summer Melody. I haven't used it, so really, really good. So they normally have like a summer fragrance, so that is their summer fragrance. I'm sure they might have a perfume of it or something like that. I've heard so many things about beach nights, so had to grab it. I will want to probably grab the body cream. I haven't gotten that yet. Just waiting for another sale. I didn't want to do the recent body care sale because it would just be one. So I'm just going to wait to SAS. Maybe it's available. Maybe it's not. We'll see. But this is the Fine Fragrance Mist of this. And this has toasted marshmallow, some sea salt breeze, some more accord, beach driftwood, and creamy vanilla. It is a good one. So I can't wait to use that. Got your vanilla confetti sparkle. So got that. Let me smell. Ooh, a little cake, like a little cake. So this is a really good one. Would pick that up. This one I was unsure about. Haven't heard much about it, but it was the Golden Ocean Pearl. And this had bergamot Breeze, Vanilla Orchid, and Golden Amber. And the reason I got this, not because my name is in it. Shade. No. I thought it would smell, because of the bergamot, I'm thinking like it's going to lean more towards a actual like perfume fragrance and might pair well with my bergamot fragrance or things that have bergamot in it. So I'm excited to use it. It does smell like a perfume. Now, it's not like run out and buy it, but if you're wanting to pair it with something, I would get it. I mean, especially on a sale, guys. Like, take part in sales. Let me give you all some tea. I have vowed that I am not going to repurchase just because of the packaging. I'm sorry, sis, bruh, auntie, mama, I'm sorry. Those that are Bath and Body Works fans, I am sorry. Unless the packaging is out of this world, yo sis is not going to repurchase just because of the packaging. If the scent smells the same, I'm going to stick with the current collection I have. I really don't get to use a lot of my fine fragrance mist. I pair it with a lot of my perfumes, and because I have so many, I don't always get to use them. So if I already have it, I'm not going to repurchase it unless it's for somebody else. Like if it's a gift, I'm going to give it to someone. But for me, no. So I do have Firecracker Pop. I believe this was maybe last year's packaging, but I have it. I'm not going to repurchase again. I know it's the cherry scent, smells really good. Like I'm not going to repurchase it. It's a different packaging now, and this is what I have already. I did get the pink watermelon blast as well. Ooh, which is really good. Oh, this might be my favorite. I love me a watermelon. So this, and then burning this. Ooh, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Ooh, this is so good. This is a winner. Pink watermelon blast. Y'all gotta get that one. This is a winner. Then I have Midnight Swim. This is a new packaging. I had this already. So I didn't buy that new. And then there's a new packaging for sea salt and lavender. This is old packaging. I still have it. And then the Hibiscus Paradise. Y'all almost got me because I didn't think I had it. But I do. And that has a new packaging. This one, I don't even think I used it yet. Yeah. Absolutely not will I repurchase this for just the packaging. So I already have this as well. I am excited. I have my pink watermelon. This is the body cream. I'm going to pair it with this. I am excited. This one is a good one, guys. And then they have a current Love Always Wins, I believe, which is this packaging, but I have it already. Like I have this one in the fragrance mist, so I am excited to just kind of use this for the spring, summer. And this is a very citrus, kind of orange, lemon, mandarin type of fragrance. So, this was last year, so you probably won't get that unless it's at SAS or a outlet. You might find it. And then the last thing I got was just the Bonfire Some More lip gloss. You can't go wrong with a lip gloss. And this was part of my free. Like, I get the coupon, so I got a free. This was the free purchase. Okay? So that's all, guys. That is all for my haul. So I'm so glad that you all experienced this with me. I am so glad to take it out of the the bag and put it away. But if SAS is coming up, it's around the corner. If you are interested in any of these new fragrances, get you one. It's a good pair of fragrance. And sometimes when you're in the house and you just don't want to wear a perfume, or you're out in the hot heat and you just don't feel like a perfume, body sprays, get up and go. Like, it's a good one. Like, there's nothing wrong with a body spray. There's nothing wrong with Bath and Body Works, even luxury fragrances. Like, whatever you like, sis. As long as you are smelling good, looking good, feeling good, it's all good, okay? Well, thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Please subscribe and join the family. Comment down below. Let me know if you all took part in any of these sales. I want to know what you got. So maybe I need to get something else. Spend some more money. No, but let me know what you got. And guys, give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. As always, love you guys. See you next time. Bye.